Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the analytical geometry class, in today's class I will explain various forms of the equation of the lines. In that first one, horizontal and vertical lines. See, before going to any definition, if I draw the line y is equal to 2 or y is equal to minus 2, like any numbers if you take, how you draw the lines? The line will be like this. This is 1, 2, 3. This is on x-axis. Y is equal to 2. This is the line parallel to x-axis. This is y is equal to minus 2. See, this is a line parallel to, this is also x-axis. This is below the x-axis and this is above the x-axis. What is this distance? The distance is 2. So in general, can we take y is equal to a and y is equal to minus a? Read on. If a horizontal line L is at a distance from the x-axis, then coordinate of every point lying on the line is either a or minus a. Therefore, equation of the line L is either y is equal to a or y is equal to minus a. This is the line. This is horizontal line. Horizontal means like this. This is a horizontal line. So moving to the next one, that is the vertical line. If I give x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 3, how will you draw the line? See, this is x is equal to 3 and this is x is equal to minus 3. What you are observing? They are a straight line, like a pillars, columns. So they are called a vertical line. And what is the distance from here to here? This is 3 and this distance is minus. That negative tells you it is on left side with x-axis. If it is y, it is below the origin. So the negative tells you it is on left side, positive it is on right side. Suppose in general we will write like this. The equation of a vertical line at a distance b from the y-axis is either, see, from the y-axis it is minus 3 and it is 3. In general we are writing b. Either x is equal to b or x is equal to minus b. It is not necessary to take b. You can take any value. Understood? So this is a vertical line and horizontal means like this. This is horizontal, this is vertical line. Now I am giving you one example here. See the first question. Find the equations of the lines parallel to the axis and passing through minus 2, 3. First mark that in the graph. That graph only gives you the answer. One, two, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever is required, just mark only that much. minus 2 comma 3. This is the point minus 2 comma 3. First value always represents x, this value represents y. So this is the line, these are the lines passing through the point. See, observe this, as I told you, this is a horizontal line. So what is the distance from here to here? Is it 3 or what? And this distance is 2. Don't write sign, that sign tells you left side or right side. This distance is 2 and this distance is 3. Here the distance is 3 and this is a horizontal line. Horizontal line is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means it is y is equal to 3. Horizontal line. See here, a line passing through minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, that is horizontal line. The equation is y is equal to 3. Observe this. 1, 2, 3. It is on y-axis. Y is equal to 3. And what is the equation of the vertical line? A line parallel to y-axis. A line parallel to y-axis. See, this is the y-axis parallel to this, and this distance is 2. It is on x-axis. That is vertical line. Understood? Vertical line. The equation is x is equal to minus 2. See, is it very simple or what? Yes, it is very simple. Now I am moving to the derivations of a various types of equations of straight line. Straight line is one only. We have a different forms of equations. First one, if a slope and one point, that means the equation of the line having the slope m and passing through the point x0, y1. x0, y0. One point and one slope is given. So first derivation, that is very important. Please try to write all the derivations. It is known as point slope form. The name itself tells you everything. It is passing through one point and having a slope m. That is the equation of the line passing through the point x0, y0 and having slope m. Yes, the name itself gives you everything. First draw the figure. The figure is very important. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is the point Q, x0, y0, and this is the point P, x, y. This is the origin, and this is the line L. Now see, consider the line L. On that Q, x0, y0 is a fixed point, and P, x, y be any arbitrary point. You can take anywhere. Be an arbitrary point, and the slope of the line is m. Slope is m. Understood? So write down about this figure. Suppose that Q, x0, y0 is the fixed point. On the line L. On the line L, and P x1 x comma y be an arbitrary point on the line, on the non-vertical line, L, whose slope is m, and P x comma y be any arbitrary point on the non-vertical line L. See, once again, there is a line whose slope is m, q x naught y naught be a fixed point, p x comma y be an any arbitrary point. Slope is given here, the slope of the line is m, and 2 points are given. If 2 points are given, you know how to write the slope. Yes. Then by the definition of the slope, the slope of the line L is m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let us take, this is a x1 y1, this is x2 y2. This I am taking as x1 y1, this I am taking as x2 y2. Slope formula is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 minus y1, that is y minus y naught upon x minus x naught. Please note down, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and the formula is this one. Cross multiply. M into x minus x naught is equal to y minus y naught. And for our convenient, I am writing y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Therefore, the equation of the line with slope m and passing through x naught y naught is, that means 1 point and 1 slope is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Please note down. And now I am giving you an example related with this. Write on the example. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 2, 3 with slope m is equal to minus 4. So you write on the solution. 1 point and 1 slope is given, means point slope form we are using. Write on. Equation of the line passing through minus 2, 3 and slope m is equal to minus 4. Let us take this as x naught, y naught, and the slope as the m is equal to minus 4 is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 x plus 2. Y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. And rewrite this. 4x plus y. I am taking this term on left side. Minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 0. Or 4x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I am giving you one more derivation. That derivation is 2.4. That means equation of the line passing through 2 points. See, moving to the next derivation, 2.4. The name itself tells you. Equation of the line passing through 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Read on the proof. Let the line L passing through 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Understood? Let A x comma y be any general or any arbitrary point. Any general point on the line L. See, this is a point A, x comma y. And what we are observing in the figure, we are observing all the 3 points are collinear. The 3 points P, A, Q are collinear. That means they are on the same line. Therefore, we have, if all the 3 points are collinear, means we have the slope of their slopes are equal, and in that any one point is repeated. Already you are familiar with this. Now write down that condition. Slope of PA is equal to, you can take anything. Slope of PA is equal to slope of PQ. First I am writing a slope for these two. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1. I will write the formula here. Slope formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Next, slope of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. If you want, you can write the formula as it is and use directly, no change. If you want, you can change. It is written as y minus y1, this I kept as it is. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and here x minus x1. Students, which one you feel convenient, use that formula. I am using the top. Therefore, the equation of the line L passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Understood? This is a formula and it is calling as a 2.4 equation of the line passing through 2 points. Now I am giving you one related example using this formula. Find the equation of the line. Write on the solution. Find the equation of the line passing through 2 points 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5. 2 points is given, means automatically in our mind we are getting 2-point formula. So write down that. equation of the line passing through two points 1, -1 and 3, 5 is. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. First write down the formula. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. For your convenience, I wrote x1, y1 like this. Y minus of -1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 5 minus of -1 divided by 3 minus 1. Minus into minus becomes plus. And 5 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1, 2. Y plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 6 by 2. Cross multiply. Y plus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1. That is 3x minus 3. Or 3x minus y minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. I wrote y plus 1 terms on right side. 3x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So in the today's class I gave two derivations. In the next class I will give some more derivations.